Alright, so this video is going to be about hand tools. Back in, say, maybe 2000, I bought this thing here. I didn't really understand all the different socket sizes, for example. You can see how there's different ones here. It's because that kit comes with a 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch metric and standard. You don't really need that. I've got a whole bunch of shit in here now, but all you really need, assuming you're getting wrenches to work on a car, you figure out whether your car is metric or standard and get yourself a set comparable like that. Deep well seems to work best. Maybe get deep well and standard, which would be, something like that. Deep well and standard 3/8 inch, I should say. That'd be a 3/8 ratchet. The other two would be 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. There are 3/4 inch, but not real common. But point was, you don't need to have all three of those sizes. You get 3/8 inch ratchet and sockets. You're good to go. And same goes for wrenches. Figure out metric or standard, and you get just a basic kit like that. Different brands. Here's one I've noticed. Husky. That's Home Depot's tools, and Pittsburgh Harbor Freight's tools. I'm pretty sure they are the exact same, like the same company, just different names on them. So if you don't really care about the brands, Harbor Freight would be a cheap option. Seems to do pretty good. And they have all that shit, like, fancy ones. But kind of getting off topic. The point was just, if you need some tools, you don't want to spend a lot of money, look for 3/8 inch ratchet and sockets for whatever you need, metric or standard, and some wrenches. And obviously, screwdrivers are always good to have too. You can kind of cheat a bit with crescent wrenches, but they don't quite work as well as an actual wrench or socket. Alright, that's all.